KRIK, KRIK. You're supposed to say KRAK. KRIK, KRAK. Welcome everybody. Stitchies is here and I am your host for this episode of Taptap, KRIK, KRAK. So this is a webcast where we talk about Haitian culture and Caribbean culture and storytelling, music, dancing, food. Like, we're just gonna have a really good time. So if you're ready, say, "Anale Stitches." Ready? Okay, well, before we start, I wanna know how you're doing. So comment below, let me know how you're doing. What have you been doing? Have you been reading? Have you been writing? Having fun? Learning? Talk to me. I want to hear from you, baby. Let me know. Have you been dancing? I love to dance. Okay, I love to dance. And we're gonna do a little bit of dancing today too. So don't forget, tell a friend to tell a friend. Maybe you have a cousin, a sister, a brother, somebody that you know. Let them know that we're here and we're gonna get started really soon. So if you also have some snacks or you wanna grab something to eat or some juice or some water, go get that now. Because when we start, I don't want you to go anywhere, okay? I don't want you to miss all the fun. So without further ado, all aboard. Our first destination will be the house of Madame Katia. Now she is awesome. She's written so many books, but today she took time to read at least one book with us. And I'm really excited. I wonder what she's gonna talk about. Let's find out together. And don't forget, all the stories and all the Taptap, KRIK, KRAK series, you can always find miamibookfair.com for more info, okay? I don't want to forget to tell you that. So, ma fouette parler, I'm not going to talk anymore, and I want Miss Katia to talk to us and tell us about her story. Let's go. Let's go.
KRIK. We say KRAK. I am going to tell you a story that inspired my books, A Fish Called Tanga, in Creole, Tanga Season. Long ago in Haiti, a little girl lived with her stepmother and father. She had chores like you do. Her chore was to go to the river and fetch water. One day her stepmother sent her to the river to get water. She came back and the bucket of water was muddy. The stepmother was upset. She said, "I'm going to send you back to the river to get clean water. I am very afraid for you if you come with dirty water." The little girl didn't know what to do. The river was just muddy that day. When she got to the river, she was crying. Suddenly, a big, beautiful, golden magic fish appeared. He said, "Hi, why are you crying, little girl?" "You're a magical fish. You can talk." "Yes, I want to be your friend." "Why are you crying? It's a beautiful day." "Well, my stepmother said if I don't bring clean water, she's going to beat me, and I'm afraid." "Oh, don't worry about it. We're going to have fun, and at the end, I'm going to give you the cleanest water you've ever tasted." The little girl started having fun. They swam in the river, and when she was done, Teze, the fish, the magical fish, gave her a bucket of the cleanest water she's ever seen. He said, "Listen, when you come back to the river, you must sing this song. And little boys and girls, help me sing this song. And I will know it's you, and I'll come out and we'll play and I'll give you clean water." And he taught her the song. Zé, zami mwen teze, zé, zami mwen teze, teze zami mwen teze. In English, Zé, my friend teze, Zé, my friend teze, teze my friend, teze my friend. Sure enough, she went home carrying her bucket of water on her head like these ladies in the paintings behind me. When she got home, the stepmother couldn't believe it. "Oh my goodness, what clean water." "I know you're up to something," she said. So the little girl would go every day to the river to play with Tiza, and she would bring good water. One day, the stepmother decides to follow her to the river. And sure enough, when she got to the river, she hears the little girl sing this song, help me. Tis my friend, tis my friend, tis my friend, tis my friend. Tis comes out of the water, hi! And they played, and he gave her water. She brought it home. The stepmother was furious. She says to the husband, who plays with fish? That's food. It was a huge fish. Do you know how long we can eat that fish? I want you to go to the river and fish that fish. I want you to get me that fish. Sure enough, the next day they followed the little girl. They followed the little girl to the river. But they told the little girl when they got to the river, they said, listen, go to the supermarket and I want you to buy the local market like these ladies are selling. That's how market is in Haiti in some parts. Go buy avocado, buy bananas, buy plantain, buy yams. They gave her a whole list, carrots. They gave her a whole list of goodies to buy. And they sent her away and they went to the river. And the stepmother, you know, she's not nice, so she doesn't have a beautiful voice. So when she got to the river, she sang, Zeh, my friend Zeh, Zeh, my friend Zeh. But, you know, the fish is in the water. He doesn't really hear well. So he came out anyway. And as he came out, the father hit him with a machete. And the fish jumped back into the water, but he was hurt. And suddenly, the little girl in the supermarket, she felt something in her heart hurt her. And something told her to go back to the river. She runs back to the river. And sure enough, the river is bloody, all red. And she jumps in and she sees her friend at the bottom of the river. She jumps in to get him and she pulls him out. And half of him is cut and he's hanging and he's crying. And her heart is broken and she's sad. And she says, Zami mwete ze. Zami mwete ze. Teze zami mwete ze. Suddenly, half of the fish fell off, the top fell off, and the bottom of the fish melted into her. And guess what? And she became a big, beautiful mermaid. And this is how the first mermaid was born, right in Haiti, in our most beautiful river. If you don't believe me, go and check it out. When you go to Haiti, go to the river and sing. Zé, zami mwete zé. Zé, zami mwete zé. Zami mwete zé. Zami mwete zé. And you know what? I did that one day, and the mermaid came out. She splashed me with her tail, and I landed right here in Miami, in Homestead, Florida, to tell you this story. And I even wrote my own version of the story in Creole. It's called Tangasi Zé.
Zé, zami mwete zé. Were you singing that too? Let's give a round of applause for Ketsia. I wish she could really read to us all the time. That was really awesome. And remember, her story was inspired by Caesar. And the name of her book was called A Fish Called Tanga. And in Creole, do you remember how to say it? No? Okay, I'll take it. Tanga Cezanne. And she has so many other books that you can read. So definitely check her out. And let's give her one more round of applause. I won't do that again. I'll let her do that. But speaking of music and singing and songs, I love how music can just bring people together from all across the world. I mean, from different places across the world. That's what music can do. It can connect people. And speaking of music, let's get back on the bus and head north to our next destination. Sifa, she is an amazing artist. You are in for a treat. And speaking of music and connecting people together, her music is just, how can I say? It's awesome. It really makes you feel good and it makes you feel nice. And I'm excited for you to see and hear from her next. And a little bit about her. She's traveled all across the world. She's been to Canada. Ils parlent français in Canada. She's been to France. They speak French there. Eastern Europe and other places. And now she's here with us. So without further ado, let's say hello, Tiffany.
Hi, Caribbean Reads. Thank you and welcome. Welcome in my humble abode. Thank you so much for taking the time to invite me to be part of this. Non pas c'est Tiffany, mais elle est Tiffany, mais c'est un artiste haïtien, so I am all 100% Haitian. Born and raised, grew up, parler créole, manger créole, chanter créole. I decided to sing ANGLÈ for you guys because ANGLè is a song about just giving yourself that extra boost you need because you're breathing. So that means you can fight, you can keep going. Like right now, I'm unable to be on stage, I'm unable to be with my fans and hold them and touch them and take pictures and be close to them. I'm not getting that, but I'm still able to sing and I'm still able to sing to you. So that is why I'm going to sing ANGLè. I want you to be strong and keep pushing, because if you woke up today, it's because you have the opportunity to move forward. With that said, ANGLè. 1, 2, 3. ANGLè. Pas décourager, oh, oh, oh. Puis on va respirer, oh, oh, oh. Faut continuer lutter, faut qu'on continue, lever, camper sous des pieds, oh, oh, oh. Quitter négativité, oh, oh, oh. Continuer, penser, faut qu'on continue. Pas été à réfléchir, problème la vie. Ça qu'a fait arrêter derrière la paix au ralenti. Moi tellement voulais on sourit, moi pas voulais on tape souffrir. Toute musique ça marchait dans son. Et de me chanter moi dit ANGLè. Pas décourager, oh, oh, oh. Et puis on respirer, oh, oh, oh. Continuer, faut qu'on continue, lever, camper sous des pieds, oh, 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 quitter négativité, oh, 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 continuer, avancer, faut qu'on continue. Let's go. Aqui tem morado ba com sa que eu tenho morado. Aqui tem morado ba com sa que eu tenho morado. Aqui tem morado ba com sa que eu tenho morado. Aqui tem morado ba com sa que eu tenho morado. Não penso de pie que tem negativité. Dégage, 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 dégage comme ça. Quer não ser com ça? Hey, hey. Aqui tem morado ba com ça. Tem uma demorado. Aqui tem morado ba com ça. Tem uma demorado. Aqui tem morado ba com ça. Tem uma demorado. Aqui tem morado ba com ça. Tem uma demorado.
Sorry. Welcome back, guys. Taptap, KRIK, KRAK. I'm your host, Stitches, and a round of applause for Tiffany. She did amazing. Every time I hear her music, I just want to dance. And congratulations to Tiffany because she just released her new album. It's called Under the Skin. Wait a minute. Skin. How do you say that in Creole? I remember I taught you. Pull. How do you say skin in Creole? Pull. Okay. You're smart. I was just checking. So, Tifan, like I said, released her new album. And like you saw in the video, she was playing instruments. And in our Haitian culture, we use a lot of instruments. One of my favorites is the guitar. I love playing the guitar. And this next artist is no stranger to instruments. She loves people, she loves kids, and she performs also all across the world. So, all aboard. She's from New York, but like I said, she performs and travels everywhere. So let's give a warm round of applause. I call her La Reine, but everyone else knows her as Emmeline Michel. Let's see what instrument she's using.
Et si m'envie chanter la joie, si m'envie tailler banda, racontez-nous une belle histoire. De tout va demander en roi pour faire repousser tout pied bois, pour nous jouer la goga chez les soirs, pour nous chanter à KRIK, à KRIK, mandi à KRIK, à KRIK. Même si c'est vrai nous bêtiser, moun savait il nous pas sauver, personne va pas empêcher moi rêver. Réveille un bel bateau descendre, ramasser tout le monde qui t'attend, pour y aller faire un bel fête ensemble, pour nous chanter à KRIK, à KRIK, ma vie à KRIK, à KRIK. Si tout le monde, tout pays, dans les mondes qu'arriver réunis, quand couillon paradis, nous ajoutons paroles, on engage musique en mélodie, un timon fait magie. Qu'est-ce là? Bonne chante pour la vie meilleure, pour tout ce qui tombe d'ailleurs, pour tout ce qui vivent en dehors. Pour yon jou kat yo ka changé, pour tout le monde qui a joint manger, pour nous crucifier tout pour juger, pour nous chanter à KRIK, à KRIK, mandi à KRIK, à KRIK. Si tout le monde, tout pays, dans les montagnes arrivés réunis, quand couillon paradis, nous ajoutons paroles, on engage musique en mélodie, un dis-moi pas magie. Chantez-vous la vie meilleure, na chantez à KRIK. Son petit mot qui fait magie, petit mot qui fait magie, petit mot qui fait magie. Va répéter, 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 répéter. Faut nous chanter l'espoir, chanter la joie. La vie va meilleure, la vie va meilleure. Répétez, répétez, répétez. À KRIK, à KRIK, à KRIK, à KRIK, à KRIK.
Whoosh. Batige, we've been dancing almost all day, but I've been having fun. Hopefully you're having fun too. Let me know in the comments. A big thank you again for Emmeline Michel for sharing her beautiful music with us. Her heart is so big and we just thank her for taking time out. So, who is ready for a story? All that dancing? I'm ready to lay back and just listen to a really good story. So, I'll give you 2 seconds. If you don't already have your little blankie, if you don't already have, maybe you want to eat something, maybe you want to go get something to drink. Okay, I'll give you a second to do that. And I'll tell you about our next guest, all the way from Stratford, Connecticut. And she's going to take time to read a book to us. So get your blankie, maybe you want to get some water or juice, and let's sit back and listen to Madame Pascal. Oh, and keep in mind, her book is all in Creole, so it's okay. Ou pas parler Creole? You don't speak Creole? Don't worry. Just watch and read the subtitles below, okay? You'll see it like right on the bottom, right there. So if you don't speak Creole, it's okay. We'll take care of you. So sit back, relax, and let's listen to this amazing story. And I gotta tell you something else. Let me see if you remember. KRIK, KRAK. KRIK, you say KRAK. And another way in Haiti, where we start off reading a story, Tim, you know what you say? Bois sèche. Let's try it. Tim, bois sèche. Okay, later to you. Don't worry. Introducing Pascal.
Est-ce que vous aimez faire les petits? Je vais lire une petite histoire pour vous qui est Pouvoir silence. Non, moi c'est Pascal Millier, moi c'est auteur texte là. Là, on dit Tim, ou répondre bois sèche. Très bien, on commence. Voilà, c'était un jour vacances. Il était presque 6 heures du soir. Et lui, était rase. Il était décidé à faire un petit flan sur plage gelée qui dans la ville locale. Plage là était toujours chargée avec moun. C'est garanti, il t'a rencontré un ami bon rivière ou bien bon en mer. Rive et rive, il était joué une belle ambiance. Te gen musique tout partout. Lumière, décoration, manger senti bon. C'était wololoy. Et il cherchait un petit coin, il clétait bicyclette lia. Et puis, il était paré pour un bon petit flan. Tout d'un coup, temps est changé. Yon seul vent levé. Gros tempête t'a sonné. L'oreille t'a grondé. La mer t'est agitée. Sans entendre, la pluie décidait de tomber avec force. Tout le monde jetait yo. Gelée te vin blanche. Et li pat ka wè personne. Plage là te vin tourner tout noir. Nan vire, li remarqué yon moun bon en mer. Yon li de dil al camper en bas au pied bois pour ka wè ça qui t'a passé. En même temps, pour li pare la pluie. Finalement, li te reconnaître moun nan. C'était grand. Vraiment grand, c'est Afia Woyo. Mais tout le monde redel grand. Grand, te kon vanze. Mpa ouais, moun ka vanze de soi. Donc, qui ça grand t'a fait là, laisse ça? Et li t'a suivre. Grand leve yon men en lè, tant qu'on t'a bay un signal. Tout d'un coup, yon belle la ligne rond, argent, brillant, te vin paraître. C'est pas si belle. Grand retire chapeau, li mette la tête. La même, il te commencé yon danser en balou. Et li kon wè moun danser, mais pas jamais wè moun kap danser, bon en mer, en ballon la pluie, sans musique. Faut ta wè j'encore grand tap suivre vague la mer yo. La est grande, pas d'avel. Mais si vous regardez bien, il te gon sac long avec lui. Oh, c'est pas ton sac moun non, c'est pas ton sac. Ça le c'était quoi yon moun? Yon compresse te mari dans tête li. Il y a avancé tout près, sans faire bruit. En bas yon l'autre pied bois pour le garder puis bien. Grâce à la ligne non, il te vin reconnaître qui moun li te yé. C'était Robert Lazare, Zamili. Qui ça Robert a fait là, laisse ça avec grand. Robert c'est un bon petit monde. Li te respecte tout moun, et puis tant li te agile. Li toujours sous pied coco y a bay payet. Puis quand c'est tombé, non Robes tombé. Si c'est à ça, c'est à un gros saut. Li pas ta petit sauti vivant. D'ancien valois te suspend, grand brave. Ou ta dit, l'enmer c'est pour lui. Li rentre dans l'enmer agité jusqu'à ce que col disparaît. Et li t'a gardé l'enmer fixe. M'pas fouti di pour combien de temps il était là. Bon l'enmer. Mais moi ka di ou, ma yon te fin manger. Robes pas déplacer you may. C'est comme ça, vin gen you moun qui t'a sorti dans l'enmer. Oui, est-ce que c'est la sirène? Non, gen ces petites mètres de l'eau. C'est une zing. À la belle. À la une belle déesse créole. Tout col te couvri en argent, même gens avec la ligne. Te gen un gros vapeur lumière dans deux mains qui te gen forme musée. Depuis qu'il est moun kon kembe vapeur. Belle déesse la marché, rive sous Robes, li a genou tout doucement, li dépose vapeur lumière avec précaution sous tête Robes. Li passe vapeur sous portrait li et puis il tape chanter pendant fait ça 3 fois. Zing zing zing, zing zing zing, zing zing zing, moi ye wo. Zing zing zing, zing zing zing, zing zing zing, guéri wo. Kou vapeur te fini, déesse là passe main derrière tête Robes. Li retire compresse là et puis li aider Robes chita. Mais côté grand, yo va passer li charrier chapeau grand là dans direction Eli. Monsieur courir al prend chapeau et puis le côté le tourner. En ouais, Eli blié, personne pas doué wel qui t'a fait Judas. Déesse là même t'a transformé. Dès quoi belle ti déesse là te grand. Li prend chapeau et puis il kembe main Eli sans pas garder, sans pas parler. Il tendait une voix qui dit bien bas, pouvoir, silence. Tout corps Eli te frissonnait, mais il te comprendre. Grand tap mandel pour le gain discrétion. Pour personne pas jamais connaît pouvoir grand gagner. Robes campé, il pas dit rien. Et il était content, zanmi li Robes te gaya encore. Des messieurs ont viré, yo allé. Promesse c'est dette. Et il pas te jamais dit personne ça qui t'est arrivé. Bouche manger, tout manger, mais il pas parler toute parole. Grand vin kembe m'ka fait Judas, li ba mon seul coup de pied, vin tomber là.
Hey everybody, how are you? Doer Chef, I'm back. I'm Mahalia, and today we are gonna make, well, we're going to improvise. So, do you know what that word is? Improvise is to kind of make stuff up and make something when you don't have what you actually need. So, we're gonna improvise a little mini pizza today. So, I have a little English muffin. But if you don't have an English muffin, to improvise, you can use a slice of toast, and you know what you could do if you have a coffee mug? You just place it down, and you just kind of go around, wait a little bit more until you cut it out. And look, the edges of the coffee mug create an edge. And now you have a little pizza. How cute is that? So that's what we're gonna do. And what do you do with this part? Well, you can toast it, you could put some butter on it and create croutons. So, what else do we have? So, if you have an English muffin, you actually don't even need a knife. Did you wash your hands? Did you wash your hands before this? Okay, good. Okay, just have to check, because you know we have to wash our hands before we cook. So, all right, so look, you can even slice an English muffin without a knife. by using a fork and going all the way down. And this, bon, it's a little safer, right? One thing I'm gonna tell you, Timun na bije mette sa nan four. So you're gonna have to put this in the oven to cook. Or if you have a pizza, a little toaster oven, that will work too. So, si nou pa ka servi avec four, right? If you're too young to use a stove or an oven, absolutely have an older sister, a sibling, your mom or dad help you out there, okay? So here's what we're gonna improvise with again. Let's say you don't have pizza sauce. Let's say you don't have crushed tomatoes or tomatoes in a can. You know what I have to improvise? Ketchup! I have ketchup! So I have ketchup. I'm gonna squeeze some in a bowl. And then what else do we need? Well, we need some spices. To make it, feel very, pizza-like and Italian. So let's see what I have. I have basil leaves. This is good. This is very good with pizza. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of that on. I have oregano. Got chance with. Oh my gosh. A little bit of that on. And I have some Italian seasoning. Excellent. I'm doing all of that. So there we go. And I'm going to mix it. And then I'm gonna stir it. Well, I am stirring it, but I am going to put it on the bread. Look at that. I used all these forks. I have all these extra forks. So we're just gonna slather that on just like you see on a regular pizza, like that. And I'm gonna use my improvised pizza crust with my little bread that I made, that I cut out with a coffee cup. And you know what's so cool about improvising? You can give it your own name. It doesn't have to be called a pizza. It could be a toasty something. You could put your name on it. You could create your own thing. I happen to have mozzarella. I did have mozzarella from another project that I was working on. So, but if you don't have mozzarella, what can you do? What other petit fromage that you have it in your refrigerator? Go find out, go see, and create your own little thing. Look, I am just gonna grate this on there. I like cheese, so I'm gonna put a little extra cheese on mine. And now, here's our little pan, right? We're gonna place these on the pan, and then we're gonna put them in the toaster oven, okay? And be very careful. We're gonna toast them until the cheese gets all melty, and we're gonna go from there. Got it, Tibun, got it. Look, it came out. Faites attention because it's hot when it comes out of the toaster oven. But look, I'm actually gonna use the fork to put it on the plate. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness, look how good that looks. And it's nice and toasty and crusty. I love it. Oh my gosh. What else? What else do you think you could improvise with? Like what other recipes or quick little snacks can you make? Look at that. I just got rid of the other one released. Oh, isn't that cool? Compliment, you guys. Well done. Thanks for joining me. See you later.
Sorry. I made my own pizza and I was eating it too. Thank you so much, Mahalia. That was awesome. Let me finish showing my pizza. Sorry. Did you enjoy that? So now you know how to take different ingredients in your home and just make your homemade pizza yourself. And you can just really improvise. So thank you so much. I'm going to start calling her Auntie Mahalia because I learned so much from her. So I wonder if she's going to be back with us next week in Plantation. I don't know, because she's written a whole lot of different books too. So the only way to find out is if you come back. So thank you again for watching, guys. My name is Skia Cheese. It was a pleasure being your host for this episode. Tap, tap, quick, crack. Don't forget to say the crack, okay? So we'll see you next time. Remember, just go to miamibookfair.com and please tell your other friends to join us as well. So we've learned today how to make homemade pizza at Mahalia's house in Plantation. We read in English and Creole with Ketsia, and all the way from Stratford, Connecticut with Pascal, and we were dancing, and chanter, danser with Emily Michel, and of course with Sifan. We even played different instruments. So I hope you had as much fun as I did. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day, and please remember to read. What are you gonna do? Read, but have fun reading too, okay? Until next time, tap, tap, KRIK, KRAK, tap, tap, KRIK, KRAK, tap, tap, KRIK, KRAK. We could do a song. Wait, let's think of a song. Wait. Tap, tap, KRIK, KRAK. I say KRIK, you say KRAK, KRIK, KRIK. I say KRIK, you say KRIK, KRIK. Oh, come on, one more time. I say KRIK, you say KRAK, KRIK, KRIK, KRAK. I say KRIK, you say KRAK, KRIK, KRAK, KRIK, KRAK. See you later, guys. God bless. Stay beautiful. Love you for free. Tell somebody you love them too.